Hello everybody, thanks for joining us for another quick episode of Let's Fix This. Here we're going to show you how to clean the drain filter on a Whirlpool front load washer. Maytag, Whirlpool, pretty much any front load washer is going to have a drain pump and a trap that you can clean out. Whirlpool makes it really easy with an accessible toe kick, 3/4 inch screws, and that toe kick comes right off. Some of the newer Whirlpools don't have a toe kick, and you're going to have to pull the washer and take the back off, but nonetheless there is a pump that looks just like this down below every front load washer. Now these can be a little difficult to unscrew the coin trap or the filter. Sometimes you'll need to get some channel locks or something, or get a couple hands on it. I have a little plastic container that I catch the water in. You can pretty much use any bowl. There's not going to be a ton of water if you're just cleaning this filter out, so nothing big. But if it's not draining because it's so clogged, you're going to need something big to catch all the water. But you just unscrew the filter and you can see all the stuff that builds up in there. And that'll, like I said, that'll cause your washer to have a long drain, slow drain. And just make sure you clean it out, re-put it back in. Make sure you clean the seal around the pump. Otherwise, you can get debris in there that's going to leak. I already went through and tested it to make sure there's no leaks, but make sure you run it and then make sure it's not leaking out of that filter cap. But pretty easy, simple fix that you can do at home. Something you can do to maintain it. Some people recommend doing it every 6 months, but honestly, if you keep your pockets clean, then you probably don't have to worry about really ever getting down in there to clean it out. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Let's Fix This. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly videos on how to fix your own appliances.